Luxuriance for Salon Professionals presents a blowout and barrel curls using Marcel irons on relaxed hair by Florida State College at Jacksonville's cosmetology professor Bernita Levant. Stylist starts off with our damage repair shampoo. This shampoo corrects the color, scalp, and chemically damaged hair. It also adds 18 essential amino acids, 90 minerals, 50 antioxidants, and vitamins A through E. Formulated with moringa to remove chemical buildup, strengthen the hair, and protect the hair against heat styling, this shampoo is a very important step in maintaining optimum hair health for those with chemical texture services. Stylists will now use our oat protein and hemp moisturizing shampoo to deposit intense moisture to the model's chemically treated hair. When styling coarse hair that has been color and chemically treated, it is very vital to add intense moisture to prevent shedding, frizz, and to protect the hair against thermal styling. This shampoo will give the hair body, shine, and softness. It also boasts of 18 essential amino acids, 90 minerals, 50 antioxidants, and vitamin A through E. We now apply our oat protein and jasmine detangling deep conditioner to lock in moisture and seal the cuticle layer. This is a key step in styling chemically treated hair. To prevent the hair from becoming dry and brittle, you must lock moisture in the hair and seal the cuticle layer. This conditioner is fortified with all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and nutrients needed to provide a layer of protection to the cuticle layer. It also has aloe, ginseng, chamomile, lemon peel extract, and more. Stylists lightly mist the hair without detangling spray as an added measure to prevent stretch to the hair strands while blow drying. Because the products have added a ton of moisture, vitamins, and nutrients to soften, protect, and smooth the cuticle layer, stylist does not need much heat to straighten the hair. The model's hair will remain straight for weeks and will remain as it is today, soft and shiny. We now add another layer of protection to the hair by applying our superior silk press argan shine serum. This serum also adds 18 essential amino acids, vitamins A through E, 50 antioxidants, and 90 minerals. We formulate with moringa in all of our products to add these vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. When looking at the hair, you notice that it has body, shine, and luster. The hair is soft and the curls are holding firm without any spritz. Although the model's hair is relaxed, the products give a clean, perfected, natural look. To make the hair pop, stylist uses our superior gloss argan shine spray. This spray gives another layer of shine that will make the color stand out more and reflect the proper amount of light for that healthy hair look. It is now time to cap it off with our firm hold edge control. Stylist completes the look by smoothing the edges for that crisp finished look. For more style tutorials, visit our video library at luxurianceproducts.com/videos.